Hi, my name is John Mitchell, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about AudiFort before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about AudiFort is be careful with the website you're going to buy, because AudiFort is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is AudiFort and does it actually work? The answer is yes. AudiFort has helped thousands of users and it worked for me too. I'm 65 years old, and for the past few years, I was struggling a lot with hearing problems, especially in noisy environments. The worst part was this constant ringing in my ears, a high-pitched noise that never stopped. It made it hard to sleep, concentrate, and enjoy conversations with my family. It was frustrating, isolating, and I honestly started feeling older than I really am. But after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like grape seed extract, Maca Root, green tea, Capsicum Annuum, GABA, and much more. These components work together to improve inner ear circulation, reduce inflammation, and help relieve tinnitus and hearing loss, especially age-related issues. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ORT, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test AudiFort for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for AudiFort to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, AudiFort has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy AudiFort from. And also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you. And I also hope that AudiFort actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just like it has improved the lives of thousands of